This is an alternate model for LEGO set 31071 Drone Explorer, released in 2018. It was a creator 3-in-1 set allowing you to build either a drone, a boat, or a plane. I used the parts to build a spaceship. It makes use of the 1x10 bricks with the bow to give it a futuristic look. The cockpit can accommodate one minifigure. On the back side, the white arch pieces are used to create the outlet of the propulsion system, in the center of which the transparent red radiator grille elements represent the plasma jet leaving the ion thruster. Just like the original model, the spaceship features a camera on the underside. Although it is intended to be a spaceship, the propellers are attached besides the cockpit, because in that way this alternate model uses up 100% of the officially included pieces of the set. Let's finish with the speed build.